Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO U5X. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter Files app. And thanks to the Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps. Also you can calculate the storage, check your collections, and internal storage itself. Next, you can go to nearby share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Then you can clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end you can go to recycled bin. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.